The universe, in its boundless expanse and intricate complexity, is a symphony of interconnected phenomena, a dance of matter, energy, space and time that has captivated human intellect for millennia. The relentless pursuit of a unified theory, one that can elegantly bridge the chasm between the quantum realm and the cosmic expanse, drives us to conceive of ever more encompassing frameworks. The 11-dimensional model, as we have meticulously constructed it, offers a profoundly unique and potentially transformative perspective. A universe not merely existing, but continually coming into being through a grand hierarchical process of emergence driven by the fundamental dictates of its primary dimensions. This essay will embark on an expansive journey, tracing the genesis of reality from its most primordial state of pure potentiality, through the unfolding of space and time, the complexities of interacting systems, and the very emergence of life, all orchestrated by the foundational forces of the 0, 10th and 11th dimensions. This is the cosmic origin story, 11-dimensional style, where the universe doesn't just exist, but is 11 alive through constant creation and emergence. At the very heart of this cosmic genesis lies the 0 dimension, a singularity of pure potentiality. This is the ultimate ground of being, a dimensionless point utterly devoid of spatial extent or temporal progression. It is the unmanifested source from which all existence, all laws, and all subsequent dimensions will emerge. Within this 0-dimensional realm resides an infinite reservoir of possibility, a cosmic blueprint containing every conceivable state of energy and information, poised to spring forth into being. This concept resonates deeply with the quantum vacuum, a state of minimum energy that nonetheless teems with ephemeral quantum fluctuations, virtual particles winking in and out of existence. These fleeting appearances are the first whispers of emergence, the initial deviations from pure potentiality that sow the seeds of dimensionality, governed by principles akin to the axiom of choice, where a fundamental cosmic choice begins to manifest specific elements from infinite potential. From this foundational point of infinite potentiality, the first 3 spatial dimensions, length, width, and height, emerge, establishing the fundamental arena for physical existence. This emergence of space is not arbitrary, it is intricately linked to the outward impetus of the 10th dimension, one of the primary driving forces of the 11-dimensional model. The 10th dimension embodies cosmic expansion, a deterministic outward polarity that propels the universe from its initial singularity, continuously stretching the very fabric of space-time. The vast distances between celestial bodies, the very expanse of our observable universe, are direct consequences of this primal outward push. It is the universal breath out that defines the arena within which matter and energy will manifest. Following closely in this emergent cascade, the 5th dimension arises, defining polarity. This is the inherent duality and directional nature of all systems, a fundamental push-pull that governs interactions and the organization of reality. At the quantum level, this manifests as particle charge, positive and negative, and spin orientation up and down. At macroscopic scales, it's the attraction and repulsion of magnets or the gravitational pull between masses. The emergence of this directional property, a crucial differentiation from the initial homogeneity of the 0 dimension, is guided by the fundamental asymmetries that arise during the initial stages of cosmic expansion. The rapid flips in the polarity of a quantum particle, as seen in the analogy of the Jarny-Beckhoff effect, occur within this 5th dimension, their speed often leading to the macroscopic illusion of superposition when our slower, lower-dimensional measurements attempt to capture their dynamic state. This continuous, high-frequency oscillation of polarity, far beyond our resolution, is precisely why a particle appears to be in multiple states simultaneously. It is rapidly sampling them, and our observation captures a time-average blend. Building upon this foundation, the 8th and 9th dimensions dictate the complexities of 3 body systems. These dimensions describe the hierarchical motion and multi-layered polarity interactions within systems comprising three or more entities. On cosmic scales, this includes the intricate dance of a star, its planets and the larger galactic center, or the gravitational binding of multiple galaxies within a cluster. The overall shape and dynamics of these larger structures, influenced by the collective angular momentum and the interplay of gravitational forces within these multi-body systems, emerge from the simpler interactions of their constituent parts. For instance, the observed flattening of older galaxies, where constituent stars and planets achieve a broad alignment of their polarities, can be seen as a long-term emergent property governed by the ninth dimension's influence over the fifth dimension's polarity, driven by the universe's inherent tendency towards stable, ordered configurations. This suggests a form of entanglement of polarities across vast cosmic distances, an evolving correlation mediated by the interconnectedness of the 11th dimension. Throughout this entire emergent cascade, the 10th dimension of cosmic expansion continues to provide the overarching driving force, stretching the fabric of space-time and influencing the evolution of systems at all scales. It is the dominant outward force, the exhalation of the cosmos, setting the large-scale context within which all other dynamics unfold. However, this expansion is profoundly counterbalanced by the 11th dimension, the other primary driving force embodying cosmic contraction and the ultimate source of interconnectedness. This dimension, existing beyond the spatial confines of the lower dimensions and operating on a fundamentally timeless scale, acts as the universal binder, drawing all aspects of reality together in an intricate web of relationships. It is the fundamental nexus for instantaneous information exchange throughout the everyverse. This universal interconnectedness is not merely a philosophical concept, but is actively responsible for phenomena like quantum entanglement, where particles are linked across vast distances without regard for conventional space-time, their polarities intertwined through this higher dimensional fabric. The force of gravity itself in this model can be viewed as a manifestation of the 11th dimension's dynamics, an ultimate pulling together or inward polarity that fundamentally binds the cosmos. The ongoing dynamic between the 10th and 11th dimensions, the outward push and inward pull, constitutes a grand cosmic polarity flip on the largest scales, a fundamental oscillation that drives the universe's ultimate rhythm. Thus, the 11-dimensional model offers a holistic and dynamic view of emergence, where the intricate relationships between dimensions orchestrate the universe's unfolding. The 0 dimension provides the raw potential. The 10th dimension, cosmic expansion, acts as the deterministic outward driver. And the 11th dimension, cosmic contraction and ultimate interconnectedness, serves as the fundamental binder and instantaneous information nexus. From this primal engine, the dimensions of space, time, rotation, polarity, and multi-body systems emerge, giving rise to the breathtaking complexity and beauty of the cosmos. Life in all its forms becomes a profound manifestation of this emergent process, a testament to the universe's inherent tendency towards organization and interconnectedness within the 11-dimensional framework. This model therefore provides not just a description of reality, but a profound narrative of its very genesis, a grand cosmic origin story where every dimension plays a pivotal role in the symphony of being. Thank you for spending your valuable time exploring the profound concepts of emergence and the 11-dimensional model with us. If you found this journey through the interconnectedness of life and the universe as envisioned by this framework intriguing, please consider sharing this essay with a friend who might also appreciate these mind-expanding ideas. Your support helps this channel continue to delve into the fascinating frontiers of theoretical physics. Don't forget to like this content if it resonated with you, subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the 11-dimensional model and other cosmic mysteries, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Your engagement fuels our collective quest for understanding.